If you've been seeing angel number 000, then keep watching this video because this number brings you some exciting news from your angels. Hey y'all, it's Taleh Anika. Welcome to my sanctuary where I'll put you onto all of my secrets and help you step into your fullest potential. So I'm starting an angel number series, okay? So all of the angel numbers that you've been seeing are most likely, actually more than likely, going to be in this series. So feel free to subscribe and join the Soul Tribe, okay? Because we're only pumping out value-packed content. So before we get into angel number 000, I just want to say this. Beware of your thoughts, your feelings, and your current circumstances whenever you see any angel number, because this is going to tell you way more than any video on YouTube or any blog website can tell you. A lot of the times when our divine team sends us angel numbers, they are directly speaking to us. So yes, these messages about angel number 000 are going to definitely be relevant to you if you've been seeing this number. But remember that the most important part of dissecting and interpreting angel numbers is to remember what you actually are experiencing in your reality. So before we get into this video, I like to break down the actual numbers that are in an angel number. So today we're speaking about angel number 000. So if you look at the number 0, it kind of looks like a circle. Circles usually represent infinity or eternity, okay? Just like life. Life is kind of like a big cycle. In tarot, there's a card in the major arcana and it's called the World card. And the actual picture on this traditional tarot card is a big wheel. It kind of looks like a big circle. And this card usually signifies a cycle either ending or beginning. So now let's get into the actual messages that 000 brings for you. Just like 444, this is your angels or your ancestors or your guides, however you refer to the higher powers surrounding you. This is them letting you know that, listen, we are here with you. You're protected. You are loved. We got you. The universe is pretty much just letting you know that you supported, okay? They got you. They're here for you. When you see angel number 000, this is also your angels letting you know that you are fully supported in whatever you're about to experience or whatever journey you're about to embark on. So pretty much you're loved, you're favored, you're protected. Feel good when you see this number. Angel number 000 brings the message of out with the old and in with the new. Like I said, this number signifies cycles closing and new cycles opening. So get rid of the old stuff, okay, and welcome that new stuff. Whether that's people, connections, opportunities, or even sometimes love, or even sometimes knowledge. So don't be afraid to let go of what or whoever no longer serves you, because anything that is taken away is going to be replaced with even better. When you see angel number 000, this is also your angels letting you know that it's time to strengthen your relationship with them. So if you haven't been speaking to them as much, or if you haven't been praying as much, or whatever it is that are your spiritual practices that resonate with you, your angels are letting you know that, like, listen, you about to enter in a new cycle, or you're about to go through some major transformations and endings. So you need to be as close to us as possible, so this way you can remain sane, and so you'll be able to endure this journey. When you see angel number 000 and you're hesitating to maybe move on from someone or to start something new, and you see this number, this is your angels letting you know that it is okay to proceed forward and to move forward with whatever it is that you want to do. This is kind of them giving you like a little nudge, a little push. Don't be hesitant to let go of past hurt and past trauma, because you can't bring the old into a new cycle. The old has to fall away for the new to be able to be rebuilt. So don't be afraid to let go of your past. When you see the angel number 000, this is saying that it is time to make the decision, the big decision. Do you want to move on to the new world and the new life that you want so bad and that you desire and that you dream of? Or do you want to continue to hold on to what you know because it's comfortable, but you're not as fulfilled? So it's time to make a decision, because after 0 comes the number 1, and 1 is all about action. So before you could take that action, before you could be moved forward, before your manifestations can come to fruition, you have to make that conscious decision. What do you really want? When you see angel number 000 in love, this is a really good sign, and sometimes it could be a little, you know, there's a little darkness and a little light to every single thing in life. When you see angel number 000 in love, this means that it is time to start new and start over, or it's time to refresh what already is. If you have a relationship and you and your partner, you know, are in a healthy connection that actually is fruitful for the both of you and it pours into both of you equally, and there's equal give and take there, then this is the universe letting you know, like, listen, it's okay to work a little extra hard to make your partner feel a little bit more special. It's okay to love a little bit more. It's okay to open your heart. It's okay to let your partner in. But say if you are not in the healthiest connection and it's actually something that you want to move forward from, and your intuition has been telling you that, this is your angels letting you know. When you see angel number 000, this is them telling you that it's time to remove toxic people and connections from your life, because it's not going to do any good for you and it's going to do more harm, if anything. Also, if you single and you see angel number 000, this is the angels letting you know that you may have some new love on the horizon that's coming in for you. But like I said, you have to make that decision. Do you actually want love right now, and why do you really want it? So these are all the messages that have came through for angel number 000. If they provided any type of value for you, feel free to subscribe and join the Soul Tribe and leave some feedback down below. And until next time, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Later.